Hello all, let's start with our next retouching tool, which is known as patch tool. So first click on open to open an image. Now here I am going to select this image and click on open. After opening the image, click on patch tool. So patch tool is used to repair the part of an image, or you can retouch the part of an damaged image. So in option bar you can see various options. So same options are available here, which are for selection tool. So new selection, add selection, next is subtract selection, next is intersect selection. Now here is the patch option. There are two options, one is normal and next is content aware option, and then next is source option, destination and diffusion. So after selecting the patch tool, you have to click on content aware. After selecting the content aware, the structure will be 4 and the color will be 0. Now you can select the image. So just starting with from the upside, I am going to select the image, and now I am going to select this part of an image to remove the rope, and after removing, deselect the image. Same way I am going to use another part, and same thing I am going to use. So this is how today we had learned the patch tool.